Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is about genetically modified organism. GMO stands for genetically modified organism, which refers to any organism whose genetic material has been altered by genetic engineering procedures. These alterations are used to give organism new characteristics such as making crops resistant to disease and herbicides, prolonging shelf life or increasing nutritional content.
In the Philippines, several genetically modified crops have been introduced to support agriculture and nutrition. One of these are BT corn, golden rice, and BT eggplant. BT corn, which is modified with the gene from the bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis to make it resistant to the corn borer pest. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and help farmers achieve higher yields. Another well-known GMO is golden rice, developed to produce beta-carotene, a nutrient that the body converts into vitamin A. This rice was created to help combat vitamin A deficiency, a common cause of blindness and poor health among Filipino children. Lastly, BT eggplant was engineered to resist the eggplant fruit and shoot borer, a destructive pest that often ruins crops. Like BT corn, it minimizes pesticide use and promotes safer farming practices.
Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, bring major benefits to farming, health, and the environment. They help farmers grow disease and pest-resistant crops, reducing pesticides use and increasing food production. GMOs also create more nutritious and longer-lasting foods, such as vitamin A-rich golden rice. Environmentally, they promote sustainable farming by using fewer chemicals and conserving soil and water quality. Overall, GMOs support food security, better nutrition, and environmental protection.
Health and nutrition. First, we get more nutritious food. GM technology lets scientists boost level of vitamins and mineral. The best example is golden rice and enriched with vitamin A to combat deficiency worldwide. Appeal and taste. Second, GM food offers more desirable traits. This means we got tastier food, improved flavor, texture, and color. In short, genetic modification help creates a healthier and more appealing food future for all of us.
Positive effect of GMO in the Philippines. First, in the farmers. One of the major benefits of GMO is increased crop yields, which helps farmers produce more food even under challenging conditions. Its example is genetically modified corn, rice, and designed to resist pests and diseases, allowing them to grow better and produce more grains. To consumers, it improves nutrition through GMOs like golden rice, which is enriched with vitamin A to help combat vitamin A deficiency, a common health issue in the Philippines, thereby supporting better eyesight, immune function, and overall health public. Environment. Less use of insecticide and herbicide reduce soil erosion and lower carbon emissions, resulting in healthier soil, cleaner water, and more balanced ecosystem in the Philippines. In economy, positive impacts such as adaptation of GMO crops like BT corn has increased corn production even with the smaller farmland, boosting farmers' income and creating new export opportunities for the country.
Let's talk about negative impacts of genetically modified organism in the Philippine society. Impacts on farmers increase debt and input costs. Critics argue that the high cost of patented GM seeds and associated chemical inputs like specific herbicides or fertilizers lead to increased debt and profit losses for many small-scale Filipino farmers. Dependency on agrochemical corporation, the intellectual property rights associated with GM crops often prevented farmers from saving and replanting seeds, a traditional practice, forcing them to purchase new seeds each planting season from large transnational corporations. Loss of traditional seeds acknowledged. The promotion of commercial GM varieties may lead to the displacement of traditional local crop varieties, threatening genetic diversity and indigenous farming knowledge that is often better suited to the local environment and needs. Effects is a primary concern is the lack of robust, independent long-term studies and the effects of GM food consumption on human health. Critics raise fears about potential allergic reaction, the transfer of antibiotic-resistant genes or linked